Hello guys, welcome to the code tonight. In this tutorial we will going to learn how to solve Java language index out of bound exception. It exception occur when you use an index greater than that index we have, value greater than that index we have. For example, I use mintra.com. Why it's not right click here? I find a class named desktop main. For this menu, man, woman, kids, home, living, beauty, and studio. Now my right cursor is not working properly. So I find by inspect, right click, going to inspect, then find this class name. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 index here for desktop main class name. I used here desktop main class name. By this find the element, and there is only 5 element present. So if we use index 6, 7 greater than 5, then it's throw a exception, index out of bound exception. So now I create the error firstly, then solved it by try catch. Firstly we run this program. Because it sixth element is not present here, so this throw a error, index 6 size 6 is 5 element present there for desktop main. So this error throw. If we here write fifth, then run the program, and it's open studio. Look at here, 0, 1, 2, 3, and this program finally run smoothly. But if we write here sixth, yes 7, more than fifth, then it throw an exception. We already see. Now how can resolve this? This is resolved by try catch. If this element is present, then it's run how we run previous, and if this element is not present, then it catch here and it throw an message, index out of bound exception. Now run it. Now it show this message, means it run the program, it catch the this error, index out of bound exception. This is the way how to deal with this exception. You use the index out of bound exception. Thanks for watching.